Now next topic is soil as a resource. That soil is considered as a resource. Now question is, why soil is considered as a resource? Because it supports life. That is, it gives life to all the plants, animals, living beings as well as microorganisms. Okay, that is your human beings as well as your microorganisms. Even it provides humus to the plants. How? That is, when the trees, the dried leaves of the trees, they are fallen down, they are mixed up with the soil, they are because they decompose and mix up with the soil, and then with the help of the roots it provides the humus to the plants. That's why soil is called as a resource. Soil is also called as a living system because it provides life to all the living beings. Factors for soil formation. These are the factors that are responsible for the formation of the soil. That is a parent rock or bedrock, climate, vegetation, relief and time. First is your parent rock. That is the rock that are supposed to gives the color to the soil. What kind of the parent is there? Parent rock will be there, that kind of the soil will be. Example, igneous rock, it is of lava origin, it is black in color, and so the black soil that is formed from the igneous rock after the sedimentation, that is black in color. Similarly, alluvial soil, it is made up of the sediments that are brought by the rivers. Okay, so these sediments are of mixed color, light brown color. That's why the alluvial soil that is found in the northern plains of India, it is light brown in color. Next comes climate. Climate is, that is your climate of a place, whether the hot or the humid or the arid or the cold climate. Wherever the climate is hot, formation of the soil will be fast in that area. If it is cold area, formation of the soil will be slow, and even it take millions of years to form a few centimeter thick layer of soil, because formation of soil is a continuous process. Formation also as well as the removal of the soil, because when the river is flowing, sediments are brought by the rivers, along with it sediments are brought, the sediments deposit in the bed of the river. Along with it, when the other flow of the river comes, that deposited sediments, they are taken, few part of it taken away by the water and the another layer is deposited. Next is vegetation. Vegetation, that is, it provides humus to the soil. As I told you earlier, that is the leaves, plants and all, they get dried up, mix up with the soil and provide humus. Relief. Relief is type of the land. It's a sandy area, it's a desert area, it's a hilly area, it's a plain area. See, in the desert area, there's lack of humus in the soil because water is not there, plantation is not there, trees are not there. That's why low humus content is there. So it is the effect of the relief. In the hilly areas, more humus is there, soil will be dark in color in the hilly areas because of the presence of the humus. Next, time. It takes many years, not only many, it takes millions of years for the formation of the soil. This is the fact of the time, because time it takes lot of years for formation of any of the natural thing. Other than this, that is color, thickness, texture. Color, as I given the example of the igneous rock is black in color, so the black soil. Thickness, that is the thickness of the soil in the area. What is the thickness of soil in the plain area, in the hilly area or in the desert area. Then the texture. Texture includes the granules of the soil. You can see, if you take the soil, that is sand, in your hand, you can differentiate the particles of the sand. अगर आप अपने हाथ में लोगे सैंड को, थोड़ी सी सैंड लीजिए, उसके पार्टिकल्स आप डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दोगे. बट इफ़ यू विल टेक द clay soil, okay, you can't differentiate its particles, they are joined together. Okay, so next is age. Age is also very important thing in this. That is, what is the age of the soil? All this geologists, they calculate all this thing. Then the chemical and the physical properties, that is the reaction done by the oxygen and the water, that also the part of the formation of the soil. Because you can see red soil. Red soil is red in color. Why? Because of the presence of the iron content in the soil, and when the iron comes in contact with the water and the oxygen, it turns into rust. That's why red soil is red in color. This is the effect of the chemical and the physical properties.